Dear Diary, what a journey these past few years have been. It's hard to believe that I am nearing the 4th floor, and even harder to believe how much my life has changed in just 3 years. Some years ago, I made a vow to myself. I wanted to be stronger and more energetic. Little did I know that this would be easier said than done. I remember starting one exercise routine after another, each time with a burst of enthusiasm that dwindled after 2 weeks. Weekend exercise classes in the park, online cycling classes, joining the gym, none of it seemed to stick. The motivation would just slip away, leaving me feeling like I had failed yet again. I felt like I was in a constant battle with my own body and mind, trying to push forward, but always falling back into old patterns. But late last year, something changed. With the help of my sister, through WhatsApp videos, I started exercising at home with nothing more than a pair of dumbbells and a few online videos. At first, I was skeptical. How could such a simple approach work when everything else had failed? Yet it did. The convenience of working out in my own spare room made all the difference. No more excuses about the weather or gym schedules. It was just me, my dumbbells, and the determination to see this through. I've been at it for a few months now, and for the first time, I'm starting to see and feel the results. My muscles are becoming more defined, and I feel a newfound strength in my body. It's not just about looking better, to be honest, though that's a nice bonus, but about feeling more alive, more capable. My energy levels have soared, and I wake up each day excited to keep pushing my limits. What's even more amazing is how this has affected my overall happiness. There's a joy in knowing that I can set a goal and achieve it, that I have the power to change my life for the better. I feel more confident, more at peace with myself. It's like a weight has been lifted, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally too. So, as I approach the big 4-0, I can't help but feel a sense of pride and anticipation. I'm looking forward to seeing how much stronger I can become, how much more I can achieve. This milestone feels like a new beginning, a chance to embrace this next chapter of my life with strength and confidence. I know there will still be challenges ahead, but now I believe in my ability to overcome them. I've proven to myself that I can do this, that I am capable of change. Here's the journey so far and all the strength and joy that's yet to come. With hope and determination, Jules.